Reinstalling Rewarded Play doesn't automatically restore your progress because your rewards and account history are tied to the account you sign into, not just the app installed on your phone. By the end of this video, you'll know how to recover your progress after reinstalling the app, what to check before assuming it's gone, and when you should contact Rewarded Play support. The first thing to verify is that you're signed in with the same account you used before reinstalling the app. If you accidentally use a different email address or login method, Rewarded Play may create or open a different account that doesn't contain your previous progress. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of the app. Open your device's App Store, install any available updates, then completely close and reopen Rewarded Play. A fresh synchronization may restore account information that hasn't loaded yet. If your progress is still missing, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen the app. An unstable connection can prevent your account information from syncing correctly. Now give the app a few minutes to finish loading your account. After a fresh installation, some account information may take time to synchronize with the servers before everything appears normally. If you recently changed devices, confirm that you're using the same Google account or other login credentials associated with your original Rewarded Play account. Signing in with different account information is one of the most common reasons users believe their progress has disappeared. Avoid repeatedly uninstalling and reinstalling the app. That usually doesn't restore missing progress and can make troubleshooting more confusing if you're testing multiple accounts at the same time. If your games, rewards, or redemption history are still missing after confirming you're using the correct account, contact Rewarded Play support. Include your account email, your previous device if applicable, your current device model, and a description of what disappeared after reinstalling the app. Screenshots of the missing progress can also help the support team investigate. Before contacting support, double-check whether only the app data appears different or whether your entire account history is missing. That information can help identify whether the problem is a synchronization issue or an account access problem. The key points are simple. Sign into the correct account, update the app, check your internet connection, allow time for synchronization, and contact support if your original progress still doesn't appear. Your next step is to verify your login information before trying any additional troubleshooting steps. If this guide helped you recover your account, like the video, and subscribe for more Rewarded Play troubleshooting guides, tutorials, and reward app tips.